Hmm. All right, Sahil, good morning, and inform to your other friends also come and join. So let's see now. Where is Dhruv? Dhruv and Garima. Kindly come and join. Anyhow, meanwhile, let us we'll pray first, then we'll start our class. God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. So we are discussing your model paper. Let's see now. So only this Sohil is present, and then who is another person? Only Sahil remaining. Kusum, Kushipal. If they are there, just send to me that is sir we are present so that I get to know. Anyhow, let us start so that let them come and then join. Okay, let's start now. So we discussed yesterday up to six problems in your model paper place part A consisting of three questions. First question MC question you are fill in the blanks. Third question is 1 mark questions or short answer type. And then part B we have to discuss in this part B. It is 2 mark questions. Already six questions yesterday we were discussed. Now we are going to discuss that seventh onwards. Seventh I was given already homework, but once again I'm going to explain to you all. Okay, let's see. Sahil, inform to your friend Dhruv and Vinod also. Let them come and join in the class. So maybe my links reach to them or not, no idea for me. Okay, let's move on to the next. Here it is given as g of x is equal to x minus box place x. This is nothing but greatest integer function. They given as greatest integer function. This is the given. So now we have to solve this problem and we have to prove that at all the points it is a discontinuous. So we have to prove that at all points. Okay. So what I'll do here, let C be any integer, C be any integer. So left hand limit you take first, left hand limit. So you know that limit x tends to c minus f of x. So then we will write this as limit x tends to c minus means that is c, and here f of x means what do you know? X minus, that means this g of x. Instead of f of x I'll write as g of x. What is that? X minus great integer function x. So always remember whenever negative is there here, so this x place you have to substitute c. So write c minus. Whenever negative symbol is there or left hand limit, then the greatest integer function c place we need to write c minus 1. So this becomes as c minus 1. What you are going to get? That function is going to be c minus 1. Let's simplify this. What you are going to get? So you are going to get now c minus into minus plus 1. This and this get cancelled. You get answer as 1. Similarly, right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to c plus g of x. Remember, whenever greatest integer function is given, negative comes, then wherever x is there, there you need to write c minus 1. Then positive comes, c means c only you have to write. So now let me write that. What is meaning of that? X tends to c, g of x is nothing but x minus greatest integer function, that box x. So that means limit x tends to c. So anyhow this limit remove, c minus box place also you have to give c only now. So greatest integer function means here wherever x is there, that place x means positive is there, x means x only. Negative is there, then we need to write x minus 1. Otherwise here c is there, that's the reason c minus 1. So now C minus C plus C get cancelled. You get answer as 0. Now check left hand limit and right hand limit both are not equal. You can write therefore LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore f of x, here g of x, right? G of x is discontinuous, discontinuous for all points. Okay, so that is about your seventh question. Let's move on to the eighth. Eighth is more important question and it is very easiest one and important also. So what is that eighth question? E to the power of x upon 1 plus x whole square dx. By observing immediately you won't get idea, but remember whenever you get e power x, first you need to write the e power x. So integral place, first write the e power x, then write remaining part. What is that? X 1 plus x whole square dx. Now see some magic I am going to do here, that is integral e power x. Here what is there? 1 plus x is there, but here only x is there. So 1 add, 1 subtract. So now square into dx. You will find what is magic here. So this is equal to integral e power x 1 plus x upon 1 plus x whole square minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. So I was just given separately denominator for both the terms. So then dx 1 plus x and this square get cancelled. This is equal to integral e power x and this is 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. So now observe carefully everyone here. Like this is there means you check now one is f of x, other is f dash of x. So it is 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1. It is 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 2. So like this is there means you just tell to me which formula is this. So which is f of x, which is f dash of x. Tell to me fast. Here something written. Okay, so now Garima is present. Okay, Garima, good morning. Everyone stay continuously in the online, that will be the better. So now check here integral e power x 1 upon 1 plus x is the f of x or 1 upon 1 plus x square is f of x. Which is f of x? Fastly comment in that comment section so that I can help you now. Which is f of x, which is f dash of x? Nobody written answer. Okay, I only will tell them. So this think as f of x, then 1 plus, then differentiation of that is minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square you are going to get. So now this will write here as integral e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx. Here, since f of x is equal to, let f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x, then f dash of x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. Now what is you have formula? Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. This is our formula. According to that, what can I write? E power x as it is, and f of x means what is f of x here? F of x is nothing but 1 upon 1 plus x. So write 1 upon 1 plus x plus c. So at last answer e power x upon 1 plus x plus c. So once again listen this carefully. It is very important for the examination point of view. Once again listen this. So here whenever like this e power x is found, first write e power x, then x upon 1 plus x whole square. Now check what is missing here in the bracket. 1 plus x is there, but here only x is there. So I want to make this as 1 plus x means plus 1 add, minus 1 subtract. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancel, again you get as a x. So after doing this, 1 plus x upon 1 plus x square, then separated both, minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square, just 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. And this we thought as a f of x, then this becomes as a f dash of x. So f of x is 1 upon 1 plus x means this we can write it as 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Then x power n formula apply, you get answer as this. That is the reason we have one formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is nothing but e power x into f of x. So e power x into f of x is nothing but what is here, 1 upon 1 plus x, written that plus c. So finished your 8th problem. So understood now? If you are understood, just keep thumb symbol so that we'll go for next question. Okay? Right. If you are understood, just keep a thumb symbol so that we'll go for next. Oh my goodness. Firstly, keep that thumb symbol so that our next problem. If you are understood, keep the thumb symbol. Okay, Garima already kept thumb symbol. Then what about Sahil? You are understood or not? Sahil, if you are present, just you can keep the thumb symbol so that I get to know. Then we'll go for next problem. That is about your 8th. Let me rub this part and we'll go for next. We know this present or not? I was sent a special message for the Vinod also. Till now, this Vinod is not came, right? Okay, Vinod present now. Why lately came Vinod? You have to come little early. Okay, this is very important for us. Okay, let's move on to the next one. That is next question. Find the probability of getting 5 exactly twice in 7 throws of a die. So I'll write here. Ninth question is this important one. Find the probability. Find the probability of getting 5 exactly twice in 7 throws of a die. Have you remembered your Bernoulli trials? When I was explaining probability, I was said for you all Bernoulli trials. Have you remembered? If you are not remembered, at least now you can remember. So here it is. First, number of throws is nothing but n. Number of throws is nothing but n. So now exactly what you need to get. So that means getting number we can say as r. So here what is said, find the probability of getting 5 exactly twice. So number of times getting is nothing but r. Number of times getting is nothing but r. So you just need to remember this all. Number of throws is n, number of times getting is r. Then what is, you have general formula is this. Remember this part. P is equal P of x is equal to r. P of x is equal to r is equal to, it is NCR, and P is nothing but probability of first event, that is probability of getting 5 exactly on the die. So that is one event. So you can write this as whole power r, and Q is nothing but, it is n minus r. This is general formula. Remember this formula. For Bernoulli trials, we will use this formula, that is P of x is equal to R NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power n minus R. P is nothing but, let me write here, then you can understand. P is nothing but here. So here, getting 5 exactly, getting 5 exactly on the face of a dice. So getting 5. P is nothing but getting 5 on dice. On die. Is nothing but not getting 5 on die. Remember, P is nothing but getting 5 on die. Q is nothing but not 5 on die. So now first tell to me what are the outcomes of a dice? Dice outcomes. Die outcomes are what? Type in the die outcomes. If you have a dice, how many outcomes are there? What are those? Can anyone tell? Dice, dice. So I hope everyone played that snake and ladder game, right? So from that, can anyone type that how many outcomes are possible for a dice? Firstly type so that I get to know that whether you are no or not. Firstly, Garima and Vinod, I hope you all played with the dice, snake and ladder game, right? So when you roll a dice, what are the outcomes possible? Possible outcomes. Firstly. All right, you don't know. Then at least now tell. One, two, and last one is 6. So can you tell now what are remaining at least? So you are not said that full outcomes, at least this tell. First one is 1, second one is 2, last one is 6. So what are the outcomes of die? Dice outcome. Very good. Now Garima Singh is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you are correct. So now thumbs up for you. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the dice outcomes. Now, what is the probability of getting 5 on the dice? Probability of getting 5 on the dice. 5 how many times will come? One time only is there. So favorable outcomes is 1. And total number of outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 upon 6 is a probability of getting a dice. Probability of getting 5 on the dice. So probability of not getting a 5 on the dice. So Q is equal to 1 minus P. Q is equal to 1 minus P. So 1 minus 1 upon 6 is nothing but 5 upon 6. Till this everyone understood? So probability of getting 5 is 1 upon 6. Probability of not getting 5 is nothing but 5 upon 6. So after that what you need, x is equal to, R means what is here? Twice. Here is there twice. So now write as P of x is equal to 2. That is equal to, n means how much is given? N is nothing but number of throws. So here it is, they were given 7 throws. They were write as 7 here. 7 we written, and then next C as it is. Then R is nothing but number of times getting. So number of times here they given twice. Twice they said, so write as 2 here. And what is P now? Here P is given, right? P is nothing but 1 upon 6 whole to the power R, they said. R is nothing but how much here? R is nothing but, and next one 5 upon 6. Next what I said here, n minus r. N minus r. N minus r is nothing but 7 minus 2, that is nothing but 5. Now just simplify this, get your answer. So now 7C2 means 7 factorial upon 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5 factorial into 2 factorial. How? Having a r factorial into r factorial, which is you got in permutations and combinations. So that formula was written. So now that into here 1 upon 6 whole square. That means 1 next 5 upon 6 whole power 5. Now check carefully. 7 factorial, can I write 7 into 6 into 5 factorial? I can write. Now next 5 factorial, that into 1 upon 36, 5 upon 6 whole power 5. Let's check now. 5 factorial get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 six are. Now at last what do you get? 7 ones are 7 upon 2 six are 12 into 5 upon 6 whole power 5. Finished your answer. So once again listen this clearly. Okay, somebody was written answer. What you written? 7C2 is equal to 21. Okay. Garima getting the problem of loading, just refresh it and you are able to get your notes. Yes, yes. You just need to refresh, Nana. There is no other option for us. Whenever signal issues are there, it is going to be like that. You just need to refresh it and again you get back to the live. So now once again understand clearly here. Here 7 throws they said n is equal to 7. Then number of times getting here twice they said, that is 2. And then p of x is equal to r, and that is ncr p to the power r q to the power of n minus r. P is nothing but probability of which given 5 said, 4 said, 3 said, whichever that number, the probability of getting. Here in this question, probability of getting 5 on the dice. And what is Q? Probability of not getting 5 on the dice. So that you are written and then we solved here. So I hope, okay. Now it is okay. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Let's move on to the next one. If you are understood, just keep thumb symbol, then we'll go for next. So 9 problems we are finished. Now 10th problem, which is I already asked this 10th problem in your examination. I hope in the half yearly examination also you got this kind of question. Let's check and let's see now who is going to solve fastly. Either Sahil or Garima or any other. Let's see here who is going to solve. Here it is given as question. Find x 1 2 1. There is one matrix, another matrix 1 2 0 2 0 0 2 x and equal to O or 0. So solve this and tell to me answer. So for you all given time only 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds you have to don't see on the board now. You solve by your own and later check your answer here. Okay, right. I am also solving, but don't see on the board. You solve in your notebook. Later check your answer. Who got answer first there? Nobody answered till now. Fastly answer. Garima answer and Sahil, you can answer now. And who is next here in this? Vinod. Vinod, if you are here, then you can tell to me what is answer for this. This already we are solved in the half yearly examination. Very, very simple question. Okay, I hope so. You are not giving your answers properly. Let me explain here. See now, 1 into 1, 1. 2 twos are 4. And 1 ones are 1. You all at how to solve first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. So first row, first column, first element you got, first row, second column, 1, 1 twos are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0. Next, 1 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2. Then 0, 2, x and 0. Now when you simplify 6, 2, 4, 0, 2, x, then again first row, first column, only single element possible to get. So now written 6 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 4 into x, 4x, and 0 means 0 only will write, plus 4, go to that side, minus 4, 4 and 4 get cancelled, x is equal to minus 1. What happens, Sahil? First 0 written, then written minus 1. Minus 1 is the correct answer. Very good. So that's about your 10th question. Let's move on to the next. So let's move on to the next question. And meanwhile, let me check how much time is left for us. Okay, still we have 20 minutes. Remaining questions also is to 13 problems. Up to 13. Now 10. So to solve and then we'll close this session. Okay? Right. So next question, it is 11th one. Find dy upon dx. That means dy upon dx question mark. X is equal to a into theta plus sine theta, and y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So separately they were given, and you have to separately you have to solve, and then you have to find dy upon dx. So now how to do, once again observe carefully. So here first one, differentiate with respect to theta. Anyhow this also I'll write here, then it becomes easy. Now this part I'll wrap. Differentiate with respect to theta. Then dx upon d theta is equal to a constant, right first. Then bracket start, d theta upon d theta plus d by d theta of sine theta. Similarly, this also tell to me. So we'll write dy upon d theta is equal to, first a is there, a is constant, then d by d theta of 1 minus d by d theta of cos theta. D by d theta of cos theta. Now see here how to solve this problem. So first dx upon d theta is equal to a as it is. D theta upon d theta is 1 plus d by d theta of sin theta is nothing but cos theta. Next, dy upon d theta is equal to a as it is. D by d theta of any constant 0. So now next, minus d by d theta of cos theta is nothing but minus sin theta. So at last here, a sin theta, because minus into minus plus. So now dy upon d theta is nothing but a sin theta. Dx upon d theta a into 1 plus cos theta. At last, dy upon dx is equal to, that means, let's give this as equation number 1 and this as 2. Then 2 divided with 1 implies dy upon dx. Then dy upon dx means a sin theta upon a into 1 plus cos theta. A get cancelled. At last answer is sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Still you want to simplify, you can simplify and solve the problem, or you want to leave up to here, you can leave. Okay, that is about problem number 11. So now we are going to solve problem number 12. 12th one already we solved, very easiest problem. So I don't know whether you are remembered or not. So let me rub this part. So this 12th question already we solved. So 12th one it is determinant 111 a b c a square b square c square, and then you have to prove here it is a minus b is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. This you have to prove. How to prove? How to prove? Garima written and Sahil written. Okay, still you are writing with d upon d theta. Okay, all right. How to solve this problem? This is we already solved. Firstly, tell to me what to do. Use the properties and then solve the problem. Very simple problem it is. How can we solve? How can we solve this problem? So first we'll finish this one. This is very simple question. 111 A B to expand which with what I need to apply for row 1, row 2, row 3, and how can I solve the problem? Anyone written? Firstly, write what to solve, how to solve this problem. Problem number 12, which is we solved even in the examination also. I was given this kind of question. So tell to me what is your answer. Anyhow, answer you are able to tell. So what are the properties you will use to solve that problem? So what I'll do is I'll give for you as a homework this, and you just share to me the picture of this 12th problem. So solution of the 12th problem send as a picture, because many times we are solved this question. So I don't want to help you to solve now. Let's move on to the problem number 13. This also we solved one only. 0 to pi upon 2 sin x upon 1 plus cos dx. Then how to solve this problem? Can anyone tell? So here, okay, by using property, yes, Garima, by using properties only, which properties you are used, that you can write and take a picture, send it to me through the WhatsApp so that I can observe that your answers are correct or not. I'm going to check, okay? All right. So now 13th one, very easiest one. First, take let cos x is equal to t. Cos x is equal to t, then differentiate with respect to x, then what you are going to get? So d by dx of cos x is nothing but minus sin x. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So we get this, and then sin x dx is nothing but minus dt. Just substitute here, and then before substituting, if you are writing dt, these also need to change in the t form. Let's see now what is t here. T is nothing but cos x is there, so write t is equal to cos x. Okay, so now what is values here? 0 and pi upon 2. So now t is equal to cos 0 is nothing but 1. T is equal to cos pi upon 2 is nothing but how much it is? 0. So now you take these limits only, not these limits. Okay, if you are changed into t, limits also need to change into the t. So now integral, it is first one 0, 0 means here 1 is there, so write 1, And then next one, pi upon 2 means here 0 is there, write 0. Then sin x dx is nothing but minus dt, write minus dt upon 1 plus cos square x is nothing but t square. Correct? So now here 0 to lower, lower limit as upper, then minus symbol we can write. That means minus 0 to 1. Here check 1 to 0 there. I was changing to the 0 to 1, then minus will come. Okay, then here in the question minus dt 1 plus t square. Now check here, minus into minus plus 0 to 1 dt upon 1 plus t square. So what is, you have formula dt upon 1 plus t square is nothing but tan inverse t. So now we can write this as, this is equal to tan inverse t, and here it is 0 to 1. Write that. Then you get tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 0, 0. So no need to write this. And next, tan inverse of 1. I'll write here tan inverse. Tan inverse of tan theta is nothing but theta, that is pi upon 4. So what is our final answer? Pi upon 4. Once again, listen this carefully. So if I put this as a t, cos x is equal to t, then we are simplified, differentiated with respect to x, then we got sin x, dx is equal to minus dt. When you are thinking anything as a means, any cos x or these, whichever the limits is there, that limits also you have to convert into the t form. Okay, limits you have to convert into the t form. So now first we are converted into the t form. So you got, first one is cos 0 substituted means I got 1, pi upon 2 substituted means I got as 0. So now it is 1 0 to 1 I written. So here 1 to 0 is there. To change that 0 to 1, minus symbol we kept, and minus into minus plus. So 0 to 1 dt upon 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square is nothing but tan inverse t. Then just substitute now 0 and 1 values here. When you substitute it, you get at last tan inverse tan of pi upon 4. Then at last pi upon 4. Okay, that is about your problem number 13. Thus we finished today's session here. 13th problem finished means session is finished. Yes, Garima written pi upon 4, and Sahil also written pi upon 4. Yes, you done good job. And let's check remaining that I think 14th also you can complete. 14th is very simple. Dy upon dx is equal to y into tan x. So next one they given dy upon dx is equal to y into tan x. X is equal to 0. So find your value of this. So how to do this? So this is a differential equation. So y solve take separately, x separately take, by integrating you will solve, then you get your answer. Anyhow, tomorrow we are going to discuss that. May God bless you all. So today's class will end here. May God bless you all.